So how can you make a copy of your Google contacts from the iPhone and export it in Google Sheets, right? So let me show you exactly how it works. If you're new on the Foxtecc channel, subscribe so you never miss anything. So at first, make sure to go to the App Store and then download an application which is called Export Contacts. There are more apps which can get the job done, but this is the one which I prefer. It's working well, so you can look it up like this. And in this application, when you open it up, it will allow you to perform a quick export. But the point is that you don't want to choose the format to be the V card because it's probably not something that you can use directly in the Google Sheets. So choose the CSV or Excel, right? But perform the export. Perhaps if you get an ad, you're going to need to like wade through it, right? And then the export will be done. And you can just literally export the document in that file type, right? So you can save it to your files like that. And then when you click it, you'll be able to hold down on that file and you will have the ability to choose the open with, like choose the application you want to use to open it up. And you'll be able to click on the Google Sheets as well, right? So you're going to be able to go with that and it will get the job done. Like it's going to be working fine because it just moves all of your contacts into this like grid, right? So yeah, it's like the best way to export or like back up your contacts into a spreadsheet, really. So that's how it works. Let me know what you think about it. Most definitely subscribe for videos and tutorials like this one so you never miss anything. And yeah, that's it from me. Hit the thumbs up if it works, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.